Hey testers, today we're diving into what matters the most for you, how to find actual bugs through exploratory testing. Forget the theory, we're going hands-on with real examples of issues you'll encounter in the wild. Let's dive in. Getting ready. Before you begin exploration, quickly review the test setup, what the feature is supposed to do and what's already known to be broken, aka the known bugs list. What's out of scope, like placing orders or triggering payment methods. As always in exploratory testing strategies. First, let's follow the positive test path. Let's create a new user account with a valid email address, such as de123@sign-qa.team, and as expected, it works perfectly. Now for a light negative test, always try reasonable things a typical user might do wrong. For instance, mistapping accidentally a special character like de123@sign-qa.team, and there it is. Great, we found a bug. The system missed it without showing any error message. Sometimes we just need to start entering information to find bugs. Voila, here's a visual bug. The user's email is overlapped by the email placeholder. Where to look for bugs plus examples. Let's focus on where bugs love to hide. For data transfers, watch what happens when I attempt to send an email notification when the product will be back in stock. See how it triggered an endless loading? Now that's a real high-severity bug on our platform. With authentication, if we try resetting my password, then immediately try logging in without checking my email. The system is now stuck in a confusing state where I can't log in with either password. Don't forget navigation elements. Notice how this gift card terms and conditions link in the footer of the FAQ page leads to a 404. This could leave users stranded. Practical testing techniques. Always test across different browsers. What works perfectly in Chrome might completely break in Firefox or Safari. By clicking absolutely everything clickable, we found this blank page with a database error after applying the price filter. A very normal user's path that leads to a juicy critical bug. Watch what happens when clicking the play button on this playlist. The page has just scrolled up automatically. Different browsers can reveal different bugs. What works in Chrome might break in Firefox. Remember, don't limit yourself to just the happy path. The most critical bugs are lurking in the unexpected journeys, but always keep in mind typical users' behavior. That's exploratory testing in action. Next time you test, try these techniques and uncover the bugs that matter. For more examples, check the collection and the spreadsheet with pre-categorized bugs in the link below.